In this video, we have to simplify the equation 3 power 3 over 2 times square root of 75 divided by 6th root of 5th root of 15 power 60 without using a calculator. Let's copy down this given equation. It is 3 power 3 divided by 2 times square root of 75 divided by 6th root of 5th root of 15 power 60. Let's focus on 3 power 3 over 2. If we use fraction exponent rule, x power m divided by n is equal to nth root of x power m, which means that 3 power 3 over 2 is equal to square root of 3 power 3 or 27. So it's square root of 27. Therefore, 3 power 3 over 2 is equal to square root of 27. Let's focus on the entire denominator, 6th root of 5th root of 15 power 60. So our n here is 5, our x is 15, and our m is equal to 60. If we convert this radical into fraction exponent, it becomes 15 power 60 over 5. Or that is equal to 15 power 12. So now, 5th root of 15 power 60 becomes 15 power 12. And now let's modify. It now becomes 6th root of 15 power 12. Not 15, but 12 rather. Sorry for the mistake. Our n is 6, our m is 12, and our x is 15. So the m over n is 12 divided by 6. It's 15 power 12 over 6. Simplified into 15 square. And 15 square is equal to 225. So we put here 225. Now let's recap multiplying radicals. Square root of a times square root of b is equal to square root of a times b, which means that square root of 27 times square root of 75 becomes square root of 27 times 75. 27 times 75 is equal to 2025. So we replace square root of 27 times square root of 75 with square root of 2025, or can be simplified to as 45. And the last thing we need to do is to simplify the fraction. And since they're both multiples of 45, let's divide both the numerator and denominator by 45. It is simplified into 1 over 5. And this is your final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye.